This is my COVID-19 story. Back December 2, 2019, I caught COVID and they put me straight in ICU. I was in ICU for 4 months and then in rehab for another 3. When I left the hospital, my doctor told me that they didn't expect me to live. I know what saved my life was the power of prayer. We have an amazing God. It's been almost 4 years now and I'm still on oxygen 24/7. I've been praying and meditating a lot lately and I finally got some good news. My doctor told me that the scar tissue on my lungs are starting to go away. There's no cure for scar tissue to go away. My doctor is asking how I'm making this happen because he's never had scar tissue go away before. I told my doctor with the power of prayer, and I do self-healing meditation is what I believe strongly is what's healing me. I had an amazing job that I loved, now I can't work. I run out of breath when I walk a lot before, but now I can walk a lot more. Hopefully I can get back to work soon. I started a GoFundMe page. I would appreciate a little help for my GoFundMe page. Maybe one day I can help someone once I get back on my feet again. Leave a comment down below. I would love to hear your story about you went through when you had COVID. I'll send prayers to anyone who needs me to send you a prayer.